and welcome to our channel, Smalay Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're here in Walkie Street again, and then we're gonna walk again also. Let's go.
Oh, not walk, only we're going to eat. We're going to eat in a Swiss Chalet restaurant. Hi everyone, Georgi now wait us near GG. We will show how much rate American dollar, and we going to the Swiss Chalet restaurant. Other side is okay. 7-Eleven already closed, and maybe another shop they will build. Okay, let's go. Yes, already another.
I told you, right?
What shop name you don't know? Okay.
All 7-Eleven right now they're closed.
All 7-Eleven?
Yes.
No, I know, in Mabalacat close. But in the Clark I see have 7-Eleven. So you think also will close? Ah, okay. Pineapple also have. How much I ask? How much pineapple? Ah, it's 100. Oh, Georgi. Hi, Georgi. Not cold for you? Not. Our friend said some happened before with near exchange office. No, you said children, teenagers take money from the Korean.
I don't know.
What he said. I need to check how much rate. Yes, you can wait here. Okay, I will check. Hi. How much euro today? Euro. $59.50. Australian dollar also. Australian dollar. 35.50. Okay, thank you. It's for camera. from McDonald's. So noisy. So noisy, I say. Noisy. This road maybe. Oh, here is more light. It's okay, Shaira, for you? Okay, you can sit. No, sit here.
Okay lang dito. Sige. Pwede naman nagka-church.
Wi-Fi, Shaira. If you need Wi-Fi, yes, Wi-Fi also.
I need it. Kaya na, open ka na? Sige, yun na lang. Try ko din. Yung mali.
Георгий Финкинг вот нет. Thank you. This is goulash. Shaira don't know what is goulash.
I know already.
You already know?
Same like parrot.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay na po.
Shaira, you never eat before? In the Philippines have?
Yes.
Really have? But it's goulash name. It's goulash, soup goulash.
Goulash, they have only like mixed with carrots, right? But
No,
here
meat-
in Philippines,
meat.
the pares have vegetable like cabbage
Mhm.
with onion, the onion like this,
Mhm.
and with beef. But here they have pork and beef,
Mhm.
and with potato.
Potato, meat, yes. Beef maybe, and what is?
I remember
Carrot.
I cooked for you before, but it's only so dry.
Mhm. Can you cook for me same?
So I will try first, and then I
Yes, you
cook
can
for
try and you will know what ingredient need and we can buy.
No, I seen already potato, carrots.
No, potato,
beef.
yes. Mhm. No, you try, good or not? Вот interesting.
It's good.
Good? So you like?
Yes. We'll try with it.
Вот beta Shaira. Chicken noodle soup in Kokomas or goulash in Swiss Chalet restaurant. What you think? What you think for you, not for just for you. What you thinking?
Chicken noodle soup, it's like you can drink because with so many noodles here, it's more pure of potato and garlic, or is this potato and carrots and beef.
Mhm.
So
But
many-
what taste better for you? For you.
This one.
So goulash soup better for you than chicken noodle soup.
Seem like adobo, but it's sweetened adobo only.
No, not same. Georgi, what you think also? What better, this goulash soup or chicken noodle soup in Kokomas restaurant? If of course, yeah, for now, because you know price and chicken noodle soup.
For now, this is better, I think, because it's 190
Mhm.
and maybe same amount of protein and 215
Mhm.
in Kokomos. But sometimes in Kokomos they give not fresh cooked soup because I see noodle already. How to say? No, not al dente noodle. Noodle already like.
No, maybe long time they cook maybe.
Yes, they cook and they leave noodle inside,
Mhm.
and noodle not good already.
Mhm.
So, but protein amount may be same because chicken and beef, you see, it's maybe same. And beef is more expensive than chicken.
Yes, in the Philippines beef more expensive.
So I think this is more price value. This soup.
Okay. Okay, we can eat. Thank you everyone for watching. We will take video in walking street. I will walk. Maybe we together walk with Shaira. I don't know. No, Shaira maybe don't like. What do you think, Shaira? If we go together walking street. Okay, you will wait me, and when I walk in the walking street, because I need to take video for you. Okay, thank you for watching. What to say, Shaira?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.